Welcome back, guys. So today we'll be solving another LeetCode question. So today we have reverse the linked list, which is a pretty standard question, and it's easy. LeetCode 206. So we'll get right into it. Given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and return the reversed list. So there's a visual example over here. So if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our returned list should be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so it's pretty much like if you have like a pen and paper, you can just map pretty much the example which they have given in the example. You can just write up that one and like have. So we're gonna be using like the standard approach. You have like a previous node, you have the current node, and you have the next node. So with these three in mind, once you draw previous, current, and next node, you'll be able to visualize it. So if I have drawn like a example on my notepad over here. So if we take, so then we pretty much have like 3 steps, I believe. Yeah. So you map the currents next to the previous one, and then that previous element becomes your current node, and the current node becomes your next node. So that's the whole gist of this program. So let's just code it up. So yeah, we have 2 nodes, current, which starts out from the head, and then we have the previous node, which is null at the start, because once you return the final element, it should represent the reverse linked list. So, and then we start out for, that's a while loop, sorry, while our current is not equal to null, then we keep doing the following steps. So we have the next node. For now, I'm gonna take it as temp, which points to the current's next. So we have like 3 nodes in with us now to manipulate, and then with these 3 nodes, the first order is current's next points to the previous node. So that's the reverse aspect of it. And then the previous node moves ahead by 1, which becomes the current node. And then the current becomes the next node, which is the temp in this case. And then once our linked list is reversed, our previous is at the very end, which points to the reverse linked list. So we return the previous one. This pretty much should solve our question. So yeah, there you go. So the input was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the output was 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's go ahead and submit it. Yeah, I've done this a multiple of times, so it's easier to draw things first, and then you'll be able to map things out. So yeah, there you go. That's reverse linked list solved.